Okay, we've taken it out in the back and rounded it out in the front. You can see it. So our eye will go down in there. See, but that's going to fit our hole there. Okay, that's what we were wanting. And we're using an acrylic eye here. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section. I'll get back with you. So we'll set these aside that we got the eyes ready, and we'll move on to the next step. Thanks for watching.